Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to check out this awesome outdoor propane gas burner by Camplux. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome outdoor propane gas burner and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Camplux for sending me this burner to review. Let's get started. Alright, let me get you guys a size reference here so you get an idea for how big the top of this burner is. So here is a bottle of water. I'm just going to place this right on top here. And the actual measurement from tip to tip is just about 15 3/4 inches, both going this way and this way. Going to bring that bottle of water back in just to give you a reference for height, right? And measurement wise, coming in at just about 7 inches tall. And of course, this is without the legs, which we're going to do next. All right, here is the first length of the leg. We're going to give you a measurement from the top of the burner here with the leg inserted. And you would want to use this leg if you're doing something like deep frying a turkey so you get a little bit more stability. All right, let me hook into the top of the burner. And we got, looks like just short of 17.5 inches. All right, let's add on the second section so I can give you guys an overall measurement height-wise. All right, let me hook into the top of the burner here. Looks like overall height is about 30 inches. Locking down the legs is real easy. You just use these eyelet screws, tighten it up, all set. Now, the major difference between a burner like this versus, let's say, the burners on your stove or even a camp stove is the amount of heat you're going to get out of something like this. So say, for example, your burner is on your stove at home. It probably puts out anywhere between 500 to 10,000 BTUs depending on what kind of model you have. Now, because of the jets in this thing here, it's going to give you a staggering 130,000 BTUs, and you can use it to deep fry turkeys with that big pot with all the oil in it. You can put a griddle over this thing. It's going to be able to heat that whole thing up so you can make like bacon and pancakes, or you can even put a wok on here and make something like egg fried rice. Once again, guys, this has been Camplux's 130,000 BTU gas burning single burner stove. If you're looking for a great multi-purpose way to cook outdoors, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome propane gas burner, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.